This is China's busiest high-speed railway station. Get ready for numbers that will shock you. In just one day, it handles a staggering 800,000 passengers, with 340,000 departing and 460,000 arriving. Imagine the hustle and bustle. This marvel is none other than Guangzhou South Station, rightfully hailed as one of the world's busiest high-speed rail hubs. With a whopping investment of $2 billion covering an expansive 615,000 square meters, Guangzhou South Station is a transportation powerhouse. Ever wondered why this high-speed railway station is buzzing with activity? Well, it's strategically located at the core of the transportation network in the coastal city cluster of southern China. Serving as a key hub on China's extensive rail network, high-speed trains departing from Guangzhou South Station can whisk you away to 18 provinces across the nation, practically covering half of China. During peak hours, this station can dispatch a mind-blowing 1,340 high-speed trains daily. It's a testament to the vibrant pulse of this dynamic city. But what adds to the allure is Guangzhou's long-standing reputation as the transportation and economic epicenter of southern China. It's no wonder that countless dream chasers flock here, turning Guangzhou South Station into a bustling gateway where aspirations take flight. All aboard for an exhilarating journey in the heart of China's high-speed rail revolution.